Hi guys, today we're gonna start the burping challenge since a person told me that they wanted me to do more burping, so we're gonna go ahead and start. It's me and my same friend that came last time in the burping challenge, but this time is gonna be burping challenge number 2. So hope you enjoy it.
Now it's my turn.
Your turn again, Carla.
Hello.
We're gonna do some more.
Yeah.
I'm not very good at burping.
Yeah, me neither.
Only my friend. This water's so cold. We're gonna keep on carry on.
Uh-oh. Phone call.
We're gonna pause for a second, okay?
Hold on, just for a sec. Here we go again.
Sorry about this.
Sorry.
You. I'm not very good at it.
Hello.
Okay, one more.
No, we're still gonna keep going
Okay.
till they probably for one more minute.
No. ¿A poco este no es tuyo?
¿Es usted?
No, Zaira, no seas malcriada, hombre.
Pero, ¿qué tal si es usted?
Yo creo que es los que me agarraron de aquí, ¿verdad?
Keep going. I can't do it anymore. Do a long one.
No te tengo nada, Zaira.
Okay, that was a little bit long, but it's okay.
It's okay.
Can you do
Okay, guys, and if you want to follow me, you should download an app called Skype. Yeah, Skype, and my name is gonna be Saida Santillanes, and you can talk to me like in that Skype thing.
Yeah, and we have one of Carla / Alviso.
Yeah, and you can follow us. Yeah. What's it called? What's it called? Oh yeah, you can even call us like from whatever you have. Let's say you have an iPad, tablet, iPhone, whatever. You could call us easily or send a message.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.
See ya.